Letter F jumped into the water and now is swimming with the fish. Tap on the fish hook to lower it and catch the letter.
Help me!
Tap on the fish hook so that it would pick up the letter F. Done! F, fish. The letter got dirty.
Help me!
First, soap the letter up. Wash away the soap with water. Wow. Wipe the letter with a towel. Good job!
Thank you! Help me!
The letter got crumpled. Smooth the letter. Done! Wow. Put the letter in its place. The danger is over. Clean the word. F,